Hey there! Happy Customer Service Week! I have been enjoying the week every single day. As many of you know, I am delivering the opening kickoff each day this week for Customer Service Week, and I am loving it. I am having so much fun, and I always pop back in for the closing session. Well, today I got a surprise. When my son came home from school, he brought in a package for me. And it has everything to do with Customer Service Week. This is what my son brought in today. This is massive. I don't know exactly what it is yet. We are going to find out together. I do know that it is from Salesforce Service Cloud. It says, let's celebrate Happy Customer Service Week. And I was ready to tear into it when my son brought it in, and he said, nope, you have to do it on video. You have to unbox on camera. I've never done that. So this will be a first for me. He handed me the box knife. So we're going to tear into it and see what this celebration is all about. I can't let him take my soul. No. All right, here we go. Okay. Celebrating the heart of service. That's actually the theme. Can you see that yet? Celebrating the heart of service. That is, of course, the theme of this year's celebration. And I love the heart. I mean, because that's what it's about. After the year you all have been through with COVID, with customers taking challenges to a level like we've never seen. I mean, customers have been difficult. They've been impatient. But haven't we all? You know, COVID did a number on us. All right, that's the first level of this. All right. Oh, it's not going to be easy, is it? It never is it? Oh, guess what? I don't even need the box knife. This is perfect. Let me see if I can, well, perfect for me. Let me see if I can show it to you without knocking everything over. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to zoom in, let you see what's in here. So let's see what exactly is in here. I already see a treat. I had an early lunch, so I'm ready. I am so ready. Okay, let's see what's in here. So nice postcard. Hey, customer service super maven. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Customer service super maven. We know how much heart you put into your customers every day of the year. So for Customer Service Week, we want to celebrate you. Use these items to help yourself celebrate and recharge. After all, you deserve it. Have fun connecting with other customer service leaders like yourself. Oh, wow. With love from the Customer Service Cloud 360. All right. Yes. Already a nice touch. Okay. Rare Brew Mango Passion. Oh my gosh. I am a tea drinker. Oh, look at this. And I can tell that this is a luxury tea. Let me see. I'm trying to, you all can see it. I'm not one to do many of these videos, this is my first, so I don't know. Now I had a focus there, and I don't know. It's not gonna. I want you to see it. I'll make sure we get a picture to show that. All right. So that didn't work out great. So what do we have here? Oh, look at this. I'm holding up, even though it may not focus. You know, I like this. My husband actually sleeps in a sleep mask to block everything out. He's out the door sometimes by 6 a.m., so he goes a bit earlier than I am. And so to get a good quiet rest. So now I have my own the lavender weighted satin eye mask. Oh, wow. See, I don't think my husband's is quite this nice. I like that. Elevate your beauty rest with the luxurious feel of satin. Weighted stimulation therapeutically helps to reduce anxiety and stress. Oh, look at that. Gentle on all skin types, adjustable. And you can feel it. I mean, it's got some weight to it. I'm excited. I have never slept in a sleep mask, so This will be exciting. Okay, let's see. There's a treat here. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is it's called Jordan Ummy Bar, or that either maybe that's the name of the company, and I love got the heart of service there. Oh wow. Okay, it's got brown butter triple. It is brown butter triple chocolate chip. I know what I'm doing the moment. I thought I was going for the tea first, but the moment I wrap up this video, this is what I'm doing. Like I said, I had an early lunch, so I'm ready to eat. So now what's this? Look at this ultimate confetti. Oh wow. Yeah, there's no way you'll be able to see this, but this is a tube of confetti. All you have to do is puncture the cap and flick. Oh, I love this. I love this a lot. I do a lot of live digital training, and I'm trying to celebrate people. I may actually do this live on video and hope it works, since I think you only get one time to do that. Oh, wow. Let's see. Try not to be too awkward and rip things up, though I may have to be. Oh, look at this. A selfie stick. I'm going to move the box. I'm getting way too crowded, and I've got a glass of water here that I don't want to spill. I've never had a selfie stick. I went through a phase, even at my age, where I was taking a lot of selfies, embarrassing my kids on Instagram and Facebook. Not that they're on Facebook, but you know what? Now, if I should get back into selfies, I can get better ones. What a cool idea. Wow, yeah. And some stickers, Customer Service Week stickers. I am a sticker person. I am. Like my agenda, I've got stickers all over it. My computer stickers everywhere. So yeah, that definitely works for me. Let's see, it looks like another, more stickers. Oh, wow, yeah. I love these. I love these. Yeah, if you're a sticker person as I am, this is perfect. Okay, let's see if we can do this without me damaging anything. Now, what do we have? You know what, when I first opened this, I thought this was a mug, a coffee mug, but I see aloe seeds here. Oh gosh, I just ripped the packet. I've got to be very careful. I'm going to put that down. These are aloe seeds. Wow. And I've got the soil in here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've got the soil. I've got plant fertilizer. I don't know if I'm holding up long enough for you to see that. Instructions, which I will need. I do not have the green thumb. That is my mother and my daughter. So look at that. I have my pot. I've got the soil. I have the seeds, which again, I'm going to have to be very careful because of the way I rip the package. So I am just going to put this over here to be very delicate. And instructions, oh my gosh, now that is creative. You know, everybody thinks to do a coffee mug, you know, a flash drive, but no, you guys have gone all out. Lemongrass and clary sage. I am burning right now white sage. I love sage, blue sage, white sage, clary sage. I do essential oil, and look at that. That's what this is. I like clary sage because it fosters creativity. That's one of the things it does. So you've probably seen these where you put the sticks in the oil, and then you've got this aroma throughout the room. Oh, I love that. I love it. That's going to either go in my living room or my office downstairs. This is wonderful. What a way to celebrate. I feel nurtured. I feel seen. I feel heard, and I feel so honored to be a recipient. Thank you, Salesforce. Thank you, Salesforce and National Customer Service Week, for including me in this celebration. And what this is going to do for me is it's going to help me kick back and relax because it's been a busy year for me supporting the front line. So yeah, thank you all for indulging in my unboxing, my first ever. And I've got to decide, am I going to have the tea first or I know what I'm going to do. I know. I'm going to get my big glass of water and enjoy triple chocolate chip butter fudge brownie. All right. Thank you so much. Happy Customer Service Week to all of you. Thank you for letting me be a part of your celebration, tuning in daily for the opening session. And we've got sessions throughout the day. You have one more day. So Friday, be sure you get there. I'll put the link so that you can join us. Thank you, Salesforce Service Cloud. Thank all of you. And thank you to PACE Association and National Customer Service Week Association or group. Thank you. All right. Bye-bye.